Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to CSLearningHouse. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of Node.js and explore how to work with files using the file system module. And we will understand how to write and read files. So without any wasting time, let's get started. First of all, we will create constant variable with the name of fs and will use require method to import file system module in our program. Now we will use the method of write file. It will take the parameters. The first parameter will be the file name welcome.txt, comma. The second parameter will be the content text of the file. This is Node.js. And the third parameter will be the function. It will run if any error occurs. So if any error occurs, it will throw the error. Otherwise, it will display the message in our console. File has been written. Save and let's run it in our terminal. Node index. So we can see the message displaying in our console that file has been written. If we see in the left panel, we can see the file, and by clicking on that, we can see the content. In the same way, we can also read any file from our PC. So let's comment out it. Now we will use the method read file. It will also take some parameters. The first parameter will be the file name we want to read, welcome.txt. The second parameter will be the format of file, UTF-8 we will select, and the third parameter will be the function. It will take two parameters, error and data. If any error occurs, it will throw the error. Otherwise, it will display the text of the file in our console. Let's run it in our terminal. Node index. Oh, I have done one mistake here. So let's run it again. Node index. So we can see the text of the file in our console. And there you have it. You are now equipped with the knowledge of the write and read files in Node.js using the file system module. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe to CS Learning House for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.